Hello and welcome to our series of Tac-Force knife reviews, and today we're going to present you with our TF-525AR. This knife measures 4.5 inches when closed and features 3 inches half serrated black stainless steel blade. The handle is made of aluminum and has Army Special Ops engraved into it. On the other side you will have seatbelt collar, glass breaker and pocket clip. Let me show you how it works. This is how instantly the knife opens. A nice close up. This is a spring-assisted knife and can be purchased at Amazon.com. Again, this is a TF-525AR.